In our previous videos, we looked at globe-core Mojave Heat models with 1 or 2 absorbers. That this equipment is used to dry atmospheric air using a sorbent. That dry air can later be used to purge tanks in order to protect transformer insulation from moisture, restore the properties of sorbents, dry communication cables, hay, grain, root crops, vegetables, and fruits. Mojave Heat's dry air performance, depending on the model, is 100 to 150 cubic meters per hour. For ease of use, we have automated the Mojave Heat model with 2 absorbers. The operator starts, controls, and monitors the operation using a touchscreen of a dust and moisture-resistant design. The operator can choose operation mode for the equipment and how many columns must be used. These modes are air drying in 1 or 2 columns, air drying in 1 column and sorbent reactivation in the other column, as well as sorbent reactivation in both columns at once. In order for Mojave Heat to start drying ambient air, the operator sets the required temperature and airflow on the touchscreen and presses the start button. From there, the unit runs without human intervention, and the process is controlled from the mode screen. The temperature of the air at the outlet from the columns, the value of the flow rate, and the humidity of the air are available for control. In the sorbent reactivation mode, the operator sets the desired temperature in the upper part of the absorber in the range of 350 to 430 degrees Celsius and presses the start button. When the temperature in the lower parts of the absorber reaches 60 degrees Celsius below the preset temperature in the upper part of the absorber, the unit runs for 1 hour, after which the reactivation mode is turned off. The operator can control the duration of the reactivation mode, as well as the temperature in the upper and lower parts of the absorber. The transition from one mode to another is facilitated by electromagnetic valves that redirect the flow of air for drying or regeneration of the sorbent. What other applications do you see for Mojave Heat units? Leave your suggestions in the comments. More information can be found on our website, www.globecore.com.